trust you all know her love of Halloween, which is why we're here today, right? And that she was a trickster. Was she a trickster?
Yeah.
Was Sandy a trickster?
Look what she did to us.
That's right.
Brought us out in a blizzard.
Anyways, to Sandy, now we lay you down to sleep. We pray the Lord your soul to keep, for we who knew your real side will always love that you with pride. We understand what made you tick and gave you joy with every trick you ever played on any friend. Their love for you will never end. Your love of crafts and thoughtful gifts, to every friend who called you witch, for lo, those years of this Eve's lore were well established long before. Those kids across the street from you are clearly a cut above. I know how much you cared for them and how they shared your love. And your community is better off for your having been out there. I know you work so quietly with deep, unending care to resurrect the mission in downtown Riverside. Your mark's been left, your footprints there, due to your quiet pride.